Hi guys, thanks for joining the session. This is a quick video to explain how to do the regression testing using DataOps Suite BI Validator. To begin with, we need a data source. Click on Add Data Source or Got to Sources menu and create a Power BI connection. We recorded different video to explain the same. We can follow the steps once you have data source to your Power BI successfully established. Now go to Data Flows and go ahead and create a data flow. Select the required engine and save the data flow. Then create Power BI regression component and select the required data source. These are the advanced options and comparison options available. Select required or else leave by default. Click on Next and click on Add Pages window. It will launch the Add Pages window and add the required page. Click on Next and benchmark it. Once user benchmark it, it will load the report if user want to use required options as region exclusion, update benchmark, maximize and minimize the PDF, and download the PDF, etc. Go back to report screen and change the page and apply filter. Click on Capture Bookmark. If user want to edit the filters or parameterize, they can do it in Filters window. If not required, go ahead and run it, where it will get the differences between benchmark and run, based on the selected mode text/appearance. If user want to get more info on advanced options or comparison options or anything related, you can get it from help.datagaps.com. If in case of any queries, feel free to reach contact@datagaps.com. Thank you for joining the session.